Thank you very much, Mel. Good morning, Michael. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, Roger. How are you?
I cannot complain. And if you've got anything in the markets right now, there's nothing to complain about. We're looking at near record highs, New York and Toronto.
Yeah, records.
Sorry, not near record highs. Sorry, my apologies.
Back to back for the TSX. In fact, Wednesday, another gain of 48 points. The Dow was up 92. You know, got the impeachment hearings, didn't affect the market. Comments about interest rates didn't affect the market. U.S.-China trade talks, maybe not making any progress, and stocks still keep going up. You know, the one company that did the best actually yesterday in the U.S., Roger, was Disney.
Yeah, they
Disney
had a huge
Plus
day,
streaming.
Right? 10 million subscribers?
Yeah, in a couple of days. I mean,
Not
you know,
too shabby.
Netflix still has 150 million subscribers globally, if not more. So, you know, and they're not talking about making money from this for at least a few years. Still, the take-up rate has been massive, and the share price of Disney reflected that. It was up 7%. And hit a record in Wednesday's trade.
Yeah, and you got to figure Netflix is taking note of that as well.
Sure they are.
Okay, you just mentioned all those things that could be happening with the markets, yet the markets keep going up. What is fueling it?
Well, interest rates still are low. There's a lot of earnings momentum, and it's really compact into just some big name stocks. Apple, for example, keeps hitting records, all about holiday sales. iPods, AirPods, whatever. That keeps going. Disney had a huge day. On Bay Street, it was the gold stocks, telecoms, and the energy component of the market. And the price for oil has been climbing a little bit here, and that's been a positive underpinning for Bay Street. We've seen this reversal. You know, we were talking forever about how the cannabis companies were hitting record highs and all that. Well, everything has kind of shifted back to more traditional plays, and that it just is more impactful, I suppose, on the daily moves on the markets.
All right. And talking about fuels right now, coal usage is going up. We're trying to phase it out, and it's actually going up.
Yeah, globally it is. 38% of all power generation in 2018 was from coal. This is according to the International Energy Agency. So you're right. Canada phasing out coal. U.S. coal demand last year was at a 39-year low. The U.K. is looking to phase it out. Germany by 2038. They've still got a long time frame. But if we're talking about the shift toward renewables, things that are less environmental impact, coal is still growing. It's all about growth in Asia, China, India. Those countries are looking for power sources. It's still cheap to produce, and that is doing this offset globally. So it's very difficult, certainly, to shift to renewables, and then we're seeing that play out in the actual numbers.
Well, we're continuing. Hopefully, we hit a tipping point with that. All right, Michael. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Have a great day, brother.
You too.
All right. Let's head to Nicole coming up after the break.